Easy English for Beginners, Study 24 for October. A family of birds. 2. When Mother Bird returned, she didn't bring enough food. "We are still hungry," said the baby birds. "Everyone, follow me," said the mother. She flew out of the nest to the tree next door. Yay! The baby birds spread their wings and flew to her. But one baby bird didn't fly. "Tweet, tweet, tweet," the other birds said. "Follow me," Mother Bird called. The baby bird spread his wings and finally flew to his family. Follow me. If you want to shine tomorrow, you have to sparkle today. 10 minutes a day goes a long way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.